Before every safe and comfortable flight, there is preparation and training, repeating every procedure until actions become instinct. What feels like a routine to passengers is built through discipline, focus, and responsibility carried onto each flight. Behind every calm direction is hard work that develops the confidence on board. Safe journeys depend on mastering the unexpected, when every second matters. In situations no one hopes to experience, cabin crew train for conditions far beyond an ordinary flight, pushing themselves outside their comfort zone. And while you may notice only the service, there's so much more behind it. Hours of practice, learning to act fast, stay calm, and take responsibility. Thank you for your professionalism, care, and dedication on every single flight.